Hello everyone, today I am going to explain assembly language program to search a key element in a list of 16-bit numbers using linear search algorithm. Linear search is a sequential searching algorithm where we start from one end and check every element of the array until the desired element is found. Dot model directive specifies the size of memory the program needs. Dot model small tells the assembler that we intend to use small memory model, that is one code segment, one data segment and one stack segment, each of 64 kilobytes. Print macro message. Macro is a set of instructions which can be used anywhere in the main program. Suppose a number of instructions are repeating through the main program, the listing becomes lengthy, so a macro definition, that is a label, is assigned with repeatedly appearing set of instructions. This label can then be used in the program whenever we need that particular set of instructions. Here print is a macro name or label which is given to this particular set of instructions. LEA DX comma message. LEA is a load effective address. It loads the address of dollar terminated string into DX register. Then by calling the interrupt with function code 09 in AH, it displays the string of characters onto the string. And M directive marks the end of instruction sequence assigned with macro name. Data segment. Array is a variable of type defined word. It holds the array elements len eq dollar minus array. Dollar minus array gives the length of the array. Len is a label. The eq directive is used to assign a label with a value or symbol. Here len is the label and thus eq will assign len with the numerical value 4. Key is a variable of type defined word. Key element is 333h. Message 1 is of type defined byte. Key found terminated by dollar symbol. Message 2 is of type defined byte. Key not found terminated by dollar symbol. Data ends. Ends is nothing but end of segment. This directive marks the end of logical segment. Code segment. Assume CS code DS data. Assume directive is used for telling the assembler the name of logical segment which should be used. Here code is a name given for CS register and data for TS register. Start is a label. Move AX comma data is a way of loading starting address of data segment in AX, and then by using move DS comma AX, data segment is initialized. LEA SI comma array will load the effective address of array in SI register. The register SI is generally used to store the offset of source data in data segment. Hence SI will hold the initial address of array. Therefore SI will point to the first element of array, which is nothing but 111h. Move CX comma len. CX will hold the value of len, which is 4. Move BX comma key. BX will hold the key element 333h. Next is a label for this particular set of instructions. Move AX comma SI. The data is present in memory location in DS whose offset address is in SI. Thus by using register indirect addressing mode, the data pointed by SI is moved into the AX register. Since SI is pointing to the first element, therefore AX register will hold the value 111h. Compare AX comma BX. Compare instruction. This instruction compares the source operand with the destination operand. It subtracts the source from the destination operand but does not store the result anywhere. If both the operands are equal, zero flag is set. Since AX and BX are not equal, therefore jump equal. If both are equal, then jump equal found instruction will be executed as zero flag will be set. But here both are the BX and CX are not equal, therefore jump equal instruction will be skipped and increment SI will be executed. Therefore SI will be incremented to the next address. Next address of the array. The next therefore SI will now point to the second element 222h. And then decrement CX will decrement the CX from 4 to 3, and then jump not 0 next. Since zero flag is not set, therefore the control will jump to the next label. Now again next label has move AX comma SI. Since SI is pointing to the second element, AX will hold the value 222h. Therefore now compare AX comma BX. Since both are not equal, the subtraction will not be 0. Therefore zero flag will not set. Hence jump equal statement will not be executed. And then again increment SI. SI will be incremented. Now it will point to the next address in the array. Therefore it will point to the third element. And then decrement CX. CX will be decremented from 3 to 2. And then jump not 0 next. Again the control will jump to next next label. Therefore move AX comma SI. Now SI will hold the value pointed. Now AX will hold the value pointed by SI, which is 333h. Compare AX comma BX. Since AX and BX are equal, this subtraction gives the value 0. Therefore zero flag will be set. Since zero flag is set, jump equal statement will be executed. Therefore the control will jump to found label and then print message 1 will be executed. Print is a label macro name given to a macro, therefore message 1 will be printed onto this screen. Suppose if the match is not found, then ch will be decremented to 1 and then to 0, therefore now 0 flag will be set, and then jump not 0 next will not be executed. So jump not equal nf will be executed, therefore in that case the control will jump to nf label, and then print message 2 will be executed, thereby printing message 2 onto the screen, which is key not found. Jump exit, jump is nothing but jump exit. Now the control will jump to exit level, move ah, 4ch in 21h. The software interrupt 21h is called. This interrupt when given the value 4c in hexadecimal in ah causes the program to terminate immediately. Code ends marks the end of code segment and start marks the end of program. Now let us see the output for this code. Here I have written the code in DOSBox. Let's see the output. Here is the output, which is key found. Thank you.